Driving a car requires commitment to safety. There are many perils on the road and off the road. Safety first, always buckle your seatbelt before starting the engines. A seatbelt reduces the likelihood and severity of injury in case of a collision. They may feel uncomfortable, but you'll get used to them. Do not forget to check your rearview mirrors. They may show you problems you have not anticipated, like for example, a flat tire. A flat tire can potentially result in a loss of control of the vehicle. Remind your friends that smoking in the car will kill you. Stop smoking to protect passengers from secondhand smoke and to increase traffic security. Some serious traffic accidents in Germany are known to have been caused by a lit cigarette. When everything is okay, you are ready to start the car. Give it a good push. What went wrong this time? They forgot to check the blind spot of the car for potential problems. Most common are the rear quarter blind spots, areas towards the rear of the vehicle on both sides. Problems in areas that fall into these blind spots may not be visible using only the car's mirrors. Have a safe and carefree drive.
Yhteen, nyt! Yhteen, nyt! No tässä on joku portreitti. Sitten tässä kestää.
Onhan siinä auto vielä.
Hei mä tyhjennän ton pienen tonne.
Jari hei!
No.
Mä voin kertoa, että ei siitä pohjastakaan sit jäänyt paljon jäljellä.
Ei. Tää kuvaamassa.
Se on
Moottori irtos.
Joo.
Vittu airbag
ilman lauennut. Ei oo tavaraa, tulee kohta vai ei?
Airbag ei lauennut ratissa.
Noin.
Vittu mikä tsäkä.
Oho! Mitähän tälle on tapahtunut? Tää on sattunut käydä jossain... Ei tää kyllä autosta voi tällaista tuossa alla.
Vähän